and he's old, he's 90, and he didn't have a child yet. How come the promise gonna be fulfilled? But it turns out there's three angels came and he said, okay, you're gonna have a son. And Sarah, the wife, laughed. That's why the name of their son is Laughter, which is
Wait, it was hint. First letter.
Isaac.
What?
Isaac is the one offered. Remember? Isaac, then he was offered to be killed. Say, good. Isaac, Abraham, bring your kid and offer it to him. So he's gonna kill him? But
I told you.
the God said, oh, stop. I believe that in your faith is good. And there's a, then Isaac,
Oh, sorry.
Isaac has how many?
13.
2 sons.
Okay, yeah, I was right. 2.
Which is twins.
Yes.
Who are they?
Jacob and Esau.
Jacob and Esau. Yeah.
Esau.
So, who is...
Why are you laughing? Don't laugh.
So, Esau is the eldest, the first one who came out. He was supposed to be getting the
Yes, like blessing.
blessing, but Jacob wants it.
Yes.
So, he deceived him.
Yes.
Right? And then what happened to Jacob?
He got deceived after.
Oh, then what happened to Jacob?
He married.
He got the 12 sons.
Ah, there it
He's
is.
the 12 sons.
There it is.
See ba? He ran away. He went to his uncle. He likes the girl named Rachel. Rachel or Leah, I'm not sure. But the dad says, his uncle said, you have to work for 7 years, so I'll give you my daughter. But when the marriage comes, he gave the eldest one, which is not. So he was like, oh, this is not the girl that I want. I love the girl that the second one. But the dad said, oh, it's tradition that we give away first the eldest one before the younger one. So he worked again for another 7 years for another girl. So he has a kid from the first, the second. I think those 2 women are competing to have more kids so they can get Jacob's attention. Even they give their servant to have a kid, so they can just get ahead from number of kids. Okay? So until they get 12, but only 2 of the son is really from Rachel. I'm not sure Rachel Leah that he loves, which is Joseph and
Asher.
Who's Asher? No,
Joseph and the youngest Benjamin.
Yeah, let's go.
Benjamin. When
Oh yeah, this is right in the middle.
yeah, Benjamin is when the mom died when he got birth to Benjamin. Actually, the name is Ben-Onin, which is the son of my sorrow, but Jacob changed it to Benjamin. I don't forget what it means, but it's like something positive. Okay? Okay, so that's so they base their land. So if you're from Judah, tribe of Judah, you live here. This land is for you. From Simeon, Reuben, these are the 12 sons. And Levi doesn't have, because
Give it away.
Levi is assigned for the religious activities. They're gonna be all of them gonna give donation, and they will organize the worship, how to worship, the organization, the church, and that's the start of becoming the church now. And even Moses and Aaron is in the Levi tribe. Okay? So yeah. Any question?
No.
Until now, is this still...
Wait, I have a question. What does Benjamin's land have a little of each of his brothers?
Benjamin, where is Benjamin?
In the middle.
In the middle.
I'm not sure.
Between Judah
It's
and
colorful.
Ephraim.
Actually, though I think Judah, I'm not sure Judah. Judah is the one
Stop.
plan planned for Joseph to be killed. Remember, they planned to kill him because
Yeah.
he's the
Joseph.
favorite. Joseph is the favorite, right?
Yeah.
Joseph is the favorite. He
I thought it was the youngest. Then.
No.
Benjamin is
Oh,
still, yeah.
youngest.
Youngest.
Yeah.
Okay. I know.
Then Joseph, they want to kill him because he always tell his dad like the bad things they do. If they kill a sheep or eat, he gonna tell that. So he's the reporter.
Snitch.
So they don't like him. He's this like a show off boy, okay? And then when he's coming, they plan, let's kill this, so we're gonna be, But they throw him first in the well, like he was crying. Remember in the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, brother.
And then I'm not sure. I think who was that Natalie who said, then let's not. Ruben said, don't get our hands dirty and kill our own brother, and we're gonna be cursed. Rather, let's sell him because there's a merchant come. They sell him for silver. So Joseph was a slave, and then in the movie he was bought by the
Egyptian.
Egyptian who's head of the security in the Egypt. So he worked there. He's good. He can read and everything. Do math. So he was promoted as the second of all, except for the Egyptian, right?
Yeah,
But the
Pharaoh.
wife, what happened to the wife?
What wife?
Wife of the Egyptian leader.
She tried to blame.
She tried to seduce him,
Yeah.
and blame.
right? But she said, I cannot do that. Your master entrusted me everything except for you, and I cannot do that. But what happened? He set him up, and he tried to rape me, right?
Yeah.
And he can't believe. So now, from highest, he would go to jail underground. Then he work his butt there, and then go nice again. He can make a position, and then you don't know the story.
I remember, sorry.
Oh, what happened? There's this cupbearer and bread maker was accused by the Pharaoh
Of stealing.
of stealing something, a gold cup or whatever. They go to jail, and then they have